Christmas Day 2024. Sharon and Harvey had this idea. I volunteered to be cameraman for good reasons.
Get out.
Is it cold? Your mum's not giving up.
Please don't tell me that on camera. Get out. What breakfast? Oh, it's lovely when you get out. Okay.
Well done. Do a big dive. Go on, go for it. Do it! Your mum did longer than you. Just run and go for it.
I don't have to talk.
I've got all camera. Yay!
Well done. You did it. Oh, it's actually really nice when you get out. Yeah, isn't it?
Hello, I'm Harvey. Happy Boxing Day. We're off to the market so far. Gonna get some food to make a picnic, have it at the beach, and I'm gonna go get a fishing rod.
So we've come to a food market and Steve's managed to find a brocante. What are you looking at, darling? Oh, handsome boy. What do you want to eat from the market, Finn? What shall we get you? Good boy. Good boy.
Vous savez ce qu'il y a dedans?
Non.
Non. Alors dedans, vous avez du raisin sec,
Dried
cranberry,
Oui.
noisette
Ouais.
et amande.
Get a baguette as well.
We've found a picnic spot. Harvey's wishing he'd brought his skimboard, but Finn's loving the waves. Oh, Harvey! Never mind. Look at those cool waves you're missing out on. Happy doggy. Time to eat.
There we go. Why do you film? Have a shake.
Guys,
Strong, lovely. Assemble it all now and go fishing. Can't wait. Catch some fish for dinner. I can figure it out, that is.
Put two on at once.
One. That's one. Keep that there. Fishing dot side. How do you do a fishing dot?
That's hard, isn't it? It's over there.
Have you got one yet?
Oh, yeah.
So Harvey left the house at 8 o'clock this morning to come down and fish. It is now 23 minutes past 11. And Harvey, how many fish have you caught?
Still none.
Still none.
Yeah.
He's not giving up. He wants to catch his lunch. Come on, Harves. 37 minutes to go.
There's no fish.
I'm quite sure there are some fish out there. Good boy, Finn. Harvey's not caught any fish yet. No. Say hi. Hello, Finn. Good boy. I'll show you a full 360 of where we currently are. The town of Lallandoo. The islands, and then La Pavia Marina.
Got it.
Well done.
Right, so this afternoon I'm going to come back fishing. I finished fishing for this morning because no out there. So right now I'm fishing with a lure. I hope you know what that is. It's basically just a fake fish.
Let me see that a little bit closer.
Fake
Ooh,
fish
it's
with a hook on it with a
fish.
weighted head, so it sinks, reel it in, and when it swims it looks like a real fish swimming. No luck with it at all today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another rig with a float, some weights and a hook, like normal fishing is really, that's what people think of when you say fishing. So I'm going to make one of them this afternoon. I've also got a weighted rig back at the house, which is basically a weight and a hook where you just put a real live bait on it. The real live bait I'm going to catch with the normal floater. Because I've looked around here, there's loads of just tiny little fish, schools of them. So I'm going to see if that works well.
Hopefully.
Work better because the live bait, it has more smells in the lure. It'll attract more fish, I'm hoping. I might be completely wrong, I don't know.
It makes sense to me.
Let's try it.
Let's try that this
Do
afternoon.
that second. I'm going to stay here another half hour maybe. Probably not going to catch anything at all.
I think you'll have lots of luck this afternoon.
Hopefully.
And it's a beautiful day to stand out
Half
here
one
anyway.
is the time I have to be back.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go get some lunch then. So this afternoon I'm down in apartment number 3, which if you remember is going to become our games room. And rather prematurely, you might say, we've bought a pool table to go in here. So my job this afternoon is to clean all the inside. Because as you can see, the balls are not running very smoothly at all. Steve has got the top up in the garage and he's mending the wood and cleaning the felt on the slate. So I'm going to busy myself cleaning this with a little help from Finn, who's come to say hi. And then hopefully whilst Harvey's home, he can help lift the slate on. Let's see how it goes.
So that's like that.
So we're back in the workshop, and now let's have a look at what we've been up to. The frame for the pool table, which has been a bit of a task. There's an awful lot of cutouts, rebates, etc. to get it all back together. I'll turn you around now and show you. So as you can see, we've been busy. It's the old piece that's snapped. It's got a temporary piece of timber on the back of it, just holding it together. That way, I've been able to take an accurate measurement of the length, because it was snapped clean in two. Both sides snapped clean in two, so now I've got an accurate template, if you will. I've traced it onto this piece of Coca-Cola. You can see the various fittings that have to go back on, the pocket, the chrome corner, the bumpers. So all these bits that have to go back on, even this plastic strip, has to be cut out. There's a little small rebate, you can hardly see it there for the plastic. For all the bumpers, we have these fittings that basically, try and get this so it works. So it just drops in like that. These all adjust up and down, so you can get away with a little bit of intolerance. And they tighten up, and that's how they fit. Even down to this bit here, the corners. It's only 4 corners, but you've still got to rebate out, if you can see that, for that to fit in correctly. So it does. Obviously there's 4 of these to do. This is the long side, the one that's snapped, where it meets the other corner of these fittings. Helps to join it to the other corner. These little cutouts are just for locating blocks, which I've had to machine up at a particular angle. They'll help locate it in the correct spot on the table. And then this end will fit and bolt up to that using that fitting. And then all the bits and pieces can be screwed back on, bolted up. And hopefully it'll all be in the right place and it'll work and we can have a game of pool. So get the router going, get the saw going, make a load of dust and mess, and try and make another one. It's all polished and varnished, is looking good. I'm pleased with that. So hopefully they'll all come like this, finished up with 2 coats of varnish, flattered off and just waxed up to give it a bit of a sheen. And these things just fit back into there. All these holes, they all have a purpose. So it roughly just sort of slots back into place there. Wants a bit of a clean up. There's this green beige yet. It's in good order, the bumpers are fine. So we haven't bothered replacing any of that. That just tucks in there. They tighten up and hopefully we can have a game of pool in a few days.
We're just out dog walking and we've stumbled across what looks like a doggy park. So we're going to go inside and let Finn have an explore. We've got water bowl. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, this looks fun. Here, Finn. Yay!
Right, we're in the marina and I've come across a load of fish which are just there in the marina waiting for me. They're not out in the sea, they're just in the marina with all the others where we're not allowed to fish. So typical. Cheers.
I'm just waiting for the boys to come out and we're taking a drive over to a local vineyard. It's about 20 minutes away to pick up some wine for our guests arriving tomorrow.
Is it done?
Yeah.
But it's all right now. In fact, it's a case. But it's all right now. I'm joking, Jack Flash. With the kiss. Watch you.
say hi?
Hi! New Year's Eve walk.
It's New Year's Eve day walk and we are heading up to Baum to have a nosy round.
So cute. Hi Sharon. Oh, it's so lovely.
Up in the town of Baum. I'm not sure why, but my orange tree does not look like that one. Next year it's going to look like that one.